In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders to images in Canva. Adding a border is a simple way to make your photos stand out, frame important content, or give your designs a more polished, professional look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to create and position a clean border around any image in your Canva design. First, open your design in Canva and make sure your image is already on the canvas. Then, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all of its basic shapes, graphics, lines, and more. We're going to use one of these shapes to create our border. Inside Elements, scroll or use the search bar to find the rectangle shape. The rectangle is ideal because you can easily resize it to match the proportions of your image. Click on the rectangle once to add it to your canvas. It will usually appear in the center of your design. Next, select the rectangle by clicking on it. You'll see handles around the edges that let you resize it. Drag the corners and sides so that the rectangle surrounds your image in the way you want the border to appear. You can make it slightly larger than your image so the image sits inside, or match it more closely for a thin frame look. At this point, you can also change the rectangle's color using the color controls at the top, and adjust the line thickness by using the border or outline options if available in your Canva version. Once you're happy with the size and color, you'll want to make sure the border sits in the correct layer relative to your image. Right-click on the rectangle. A menu will appear with several options related to positioning and layers. From that menu, click on the option related to layer or position. This opens up the controls that determine whether your rectangle sits in front of or behind other elements. To move the rectangle closer to the front, choose Bring Forward. You can repeat this if needed until it sits exactly where you want it in relation to the image. Finally, take a moment to arrange everything carefully. Use the alignment guides that appear in Canva to center the border around your image. Adjust the thickness of the border by slightly resizing the rectangle, and fine-tune the color to match your overall design. Once it looks balanced and intentional, you're done. You've successfully added a border to your image in Canva.